Hello friends, welcome to Fast Learn. This video is subscribers choice video. We made this video for Master Akshith studying in grade 3. He wants to know about solar system. You can also send your choice of topics to our mail ID in the description box and we will publish a video exclusively for you. Now let's go and meet Mr. Sun and learn about the solar system family.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I am Sun. I am the head and I am situated at the center of the solar system. I am the only star in our solar system. I am a hot ball of hydrogen and helium gases, and I give heat and light to my family. My family orbits or travels around me.
Let's find out who travels around the sun. Solar system family includes 8 big planets and their moons, the 5 dwarf planets, countless asteroids, comets, and other small icy objects. The great force that keeps the family together is called as gravitational force. Now let's see which planet is closest to the sun.
I am the smallest and the fastest planet. I am planet Mercury.
Next is Venus.
I am Venus, the hottest and brightest planet.
Next, let's see Earth, the place where we live.
I am Earth. I am the only planet where life exists. I also have a natural satellite, the Moon.
Here comes Mars.
I am Mars. My surface has many craters, deep valleys and volcanoes. I also have 2 moons.
This is Jupiter.
I am Jupiter. I am a gas giant. I am also the biggest planet.
Here comes Saturn.
I am Saturn. Only my rings can be seen the clearest. My rings have particles of ice.
Now Uranus.
I am Uranus. I am a blue planet and I am also the coldest planet.
And finally, here comes Neptune.
I am Neptune. I also appear blue. And I am also composed of the same gases like Uranus.
The 5 dwarf planets are Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Makemake, and Haumea. There are also millions of small chunks of metal and rock called asteroids that also orbit around the sun. Small chunks of dirt and ice called comets are also traveling around the sun. And that is the solar family. Here's a quick recap of this video. We learned about 4 terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Next, we also learnt about 4 gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We also learned about the 5 dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. I hope you understood about solar system. Please comment your requests, like and share this video to show your support for us, and subscribe to get notifications about more educational videos.